over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hey y'all, it's Spring Beauty 2018. I don't know, I'm not focused today. I need to glow up and I need to do it fast. And I have wasted my time because it is really late. Notice how I'm doing one color shadow and shading it like a cat eye. One color shadow over the lid and then bring it out just like your eyeliner. I've already got my lower lash line and I am using my Brazilian Glow box that was gifted to me by Ciate London. I got it yesterday. It came with the palette that has this eyeshadow in it, the Brazilian Glow palette, and then it's got two bronzers, and I've already got their brush and highlighter, so we are really about to glow up in 2 seconds. Okay, glow up step 1 is going to be bronzer. I have a color called South Beach, and I have a color a little bit lighter, Palm Island. I'm going in with South Beach. I'm going all around. I'm already contoured, and I just make a 3. Do you see the difference in my face? Here. Contour and bronzer are not the same thing. Bronzer gives you color where the sun would have kissed you. Okay, I would do right there. Boom, halfway there. Okay, those lashes are on. I'm now going to take Palm Island. We're going to double dip the bronzer because we want to glow up that much. Palm Island, that's pretty. All of this bronzer has hyaluronic acid in it, so it goes on, it feels like butter. Gosh, we've gotten to my favorite part, the Dewy blush. Hyaluronic acid in here. I have 4 colors from tans to pinks. I want to be kind of pinkish today, but I want to be maybe a light pink. We're going to put on 3 drops on each cheek. Legos on each cheek. Is Watermelon, which is super dope because I also use Ciate London's Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer that also is pore refining, so you got a little bit of a blur. I'm glowing up. This is Dewy Blush. It is glossy. It is hydrating. Oh, let's get in there with the Beauty Blender. Clean it up some, get rid of the harsh edges. The color is perfect. I don't like my blush to come in too far close to my mouth. I like it to be more of a cheeky look just because of my round face. That's what looks good on me. You can figure out what's best on you. Look at me glow. I don't have any highlighter on. Ciate London highlighter in Champagne. I love the Champagne color. It's so pretty on me. Nose, I don't care anything about how nobody cares about highlighter anymore. I am the queen and I love highlighter. We're even gonna get a pencil brush, go right down our nose, pat it out. Gonna clean up this area on the tip of my nose. Pat it out. I'm gonna put some in here. I'm only wearing one little color of eyeshadow today. I need something to set it off. I need something to glow up. There it is. I don't love a glow on my forehead. Looks oily to me. Glow up, glow up, glow up. Let's do our lip up. You can't finish a glow up without lip oil. Ciate London Bronze Shimmer. I define my lips with a little brown liner because my lips don't have a shape. But I told y'all we were gonna glow up in just a minute. I was a flat little girl. I was flat. We're gonna finish Watermelon Burst setting spray. It is so hydrating. Everything is in place. Oh, I love y'all so much. What do you think of the glow up? I love that everything has hyaluronic acid in it. That helps to heal scars, and it helps to prevent fine lines. You can keep your laugh lines this way because they won't be deep. They won't be so deep and aggressive. They'll be beautiful because you've used hyaluronic acid. I put on hyaluronic acid straight out of the shower. I have some in the bathroom, and then I have some that I use in my bedroom at night. And then I have my Ciate London products, which don't get any better. My face feels so hydrated. Best makeup for your skin, and it looks so dewy. So I am ready. Whatever you're going through, this too shall pass. Love you.